Rescue heroes!
Global Response Team.
My dad said it hasn't rained this much since the flood of '68.
I know. A whole bunch of people lost their homes and everything.
Listen, kids, you've all seen rain before. Eyes to the front. Okay, maybe not this much of it.
The TV said we could be in for a huge flood.
It also said the dam's not even close to overflowing. Besides, our school is on the highest ground. It's the safest place to be. In fact, I can see some of your parents arriving now.
I hope Mom didn't have to work late.
I'm coming, Sean.
Hey, Jakey boy. You up for some ping pong?
No, I'm reading poetry. To my brother, George.
Why? Can't Georgie read to himself?
No, it's the name of a poem by Keats. You see, his brother's name was... Why do I even bother? It wouldn't hurt you to read some poetry. After all, culture is what separates us from the animals.
And I thought it was because we have opposable thumbs. That's why you never see an animal hitchhiking.
Okay. Now I'm not okay.
Somebody call 911!
The storm is just pounding that poor town. That dam isn't as new as it used to be. I better run a stability check on its concrete, just in case.
Hey, Jack. I'm sorry for losing it earlier. It's just that sometimes all your joking makes me wonder how seriously you take this job.
You know, you're right. I'm gonna be more like you from now on. In fact, I wouldn't mind looking into some of that poetry from that Keats fellow.
Well, all right then. Let's start with my favorite. Why did I laugh tonight?
Well, I don't know. Someone tickle you?
We have an event code FPD. I found a crack on Myerston Dam and it's ready to burst. I just phoned in a warning to local authorities.
Looks like they have their hands full already. We just picked up a 911. There's a woman hanging off the side of the low-heat bridge. System, locate Gil and Sandy.
Subjects located.
Boys, we have a severe flood situation and we need you in Hankston, pronto.
Ready to ride! Full steam ahead!
The township of Claymore, 40 miles north, has already evacuated.
Quiet, everyone!
Residents here are asked to head to higher ground at Hankston Elementary. Now, we're going to Dana Claverius for this bulletin.
Todd, we're at the low-heat bridge where a woman has fallen and is clinging to its edge. With emergency personnel already stretched to the limit, it may be some time before they can respond.
Mom! Sean, you can't go out there! Sean!
Looks like you could use some reinforcements.
Mister, are you going to be able to save my home? It's that one.
I promise I'll do my best.
Let the man do his job, Paige. Go in the truck with Mommy. Soon as I'm done here, we'll head up to the school.
Keep it steady. I'm going down with the basket to help maneuver against the wind.
This dam's about as stable as a cardboard ladder. Let's go!
Billy, the area looks clear. Oh, wait a minute! You're headed the wrong way, dude.
I have to get to my mom.
Billy, there's a boy headed your way. Hey, come back here!
The crack keeps widening. I can't keep up with it. It's gonna blow.
Hightail it back here. We've got to pull out.
Jack, what's your position? Jack? Jack! Team alert! The dam has burst, and we've lost transmission with Jack!
This is Billy. I copy. Gil, keep trying to reach Jack. We'll have you out of there in a jiffy, ma'am.
Jake, get your people to higher ground.
Copy. We've done all we can. We've got to get up to the school ASAP.
We gotta get out of here! Move it!
Stay back, son. Look out!
Billy! Sean!
Jack! You're looking the wrong way, Gil. I would have called in, but my radio was washed away quicker than dishes at Granny's Sunday dinner. Yeehaw!
Sorry, Paige.
Howdy, y'all. This is Jack, just checking in to let you know I'm A-OK. Thanks to my henway.
Henway? What's a henway?
Oh, about 3 or 4 pounds. Get it? What's a henway?
Jack, you are a sorry excuse for a rescue hero.
Did you save my house, Mr. Rescue Hero?
I know it's hard.
My house! Our house is gone!
But, Paige, please.
Leave me alone.
Gotcha!
Oh, Sean, thank goodness.
I know. I should have listened to you. I thought I could help save Mom.
How can I thank you guys?
You just did.
Well, the worst is over. The rain stopped, and the water level is going down. The townspeople are safe in shelters.
Unfortunately, the worst for some people meant losing everything.
Now, I know what you're thinking, Jake, but just hear me out. Now, we deal with some pretty rough stuff all day, every day, right? Well, sometimes having a good laugh is the only thing that'll make things hurt a little less. You see what I'm saying?
I do, Jack. I do. I think I finally figured you out, pal. May I?
Oh!
If you find yourself in an emergency, it's vital you follow the directions of authority. Doing so could just save your life.
A fast-moving river could look tempting to wade into. But even if the water is only up to your knees, it can still pull you under.
Stay away from streams when it's raining. They could quickly overflow.
And don't go into a river to rescue someone. Stay on shore and use a rope, branch, or even a piece of clothing to pull the person out. Hey, did anyone see my training gloves?
Yeah, they're under there.
Under where?
I just made you say underwear.
Think like a rescue hero. Think safe.